Imagine you're a business owner trying to expand your operations globally. You've got clients in Australia, the UK, and even China. But managing transactions in multiple currencies can be a real headache. That's where Airwallex comes in. So, the big question is, what currencies does Airwallex actually support? Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, including major ones like USD, Euro, GBP, and JPY. But it doesn't stop there. They've got coverage for emerging markets like AUD, CAD, SGD, and HKD. And if you're dealing with Asian currencies, Airwallex has you covered with CNY, INR, IDR, and more. To give you a more comprehensive view, let's break down the currencies by region. Asia, Airwallex offers extensive support for Asian currencies, including CNY, INR, IDR, THB, VND, MYR, PHP, and more. This makes it a great choice for businesses operating in the region. Europe, European businesses can benefit from Airwallex's support for Euro, GBP, CHF, SEK, DKK, NOK, and other major European currencies. North America, Airwallex supports USD and CAD, making it suitable for businesses in North America. Oceania, for businesses in Australia and New Zealand, Airwallex supports AUD and NZD. Emerging markets, Airwallex also caters to businesses operating in emerging markets, offering support for currencies like ZAR, RUB, TRY, and more. Why does this matter? Now, you might be wondering why it's so important to have a wide range of currency support. Well, it's all about convenience and cost-effectiveness. When you use Airwallex, you can avoid high conversion fees. Airwallex often offers competitive exchange rates, saving you money on every transaction. Simplify global payments. With support for multiple currencies, you can easily manage payments to clients and suppliers around the world. Expand your market reach. By accepting payments in your customers' preferred currencies, you can attract more customers and grow your business. Additional features. Beyond currency support, Airwallex offers a range of other features that can benefit your business, including global accounts. Open multiple currency accounts to manage your finances more efficiently. Virtual cards. Issue virtual cards for online payments and expense management. API integration. Integrate Airwallex into your existing systems for seamless transactions. So, to answer your question, Airwallex supports a wide range of currencies, making it a versatile solution for businesses of all sizes. Whether you're operating in Asia, Europe, North America, or emerging markets, Airwallex can help you streamline your global payments. With that said, thanks for watching.